But just think, how could you set up accounting and reach out to clients and charge them a fee, a flat fee? Do you tax return preparation? I don't know how your system works up there. Can you do that? And most accountants here, where they charge $100, $200, $300 for a personal tax return. Okay.
That's less than that. Things are $50.
Right. Okay. So could you do that for people all over Canada? You're not limited to Winnipeg.
That's true.
Okay. So there's something you could do. See, how could I virally market? How could I multiply? Why should I think in terms of my local economy? Why should I have a karate school and serve 100 people for $100 a month? That's 10 grand a month. Why not sell DVDs while I sleep? Okay? And sell those same lessons to people all over the world. Why should I be limited to a local economy? You're not limited to a local economy. You've got, within law, within framework of law, you could practice accounting. If you're telling me no license is required, you can practice accounting anywhere in Canada. That's your whole fucking country. What's the population? 30 million? Uh-huh. And maybe half of those people actually use a tax preparer because they make enough money that they need to. So that's a potential market of 15 million people, all right, that you can dip in and reach out and tap. You need accounting. Every business needs accounting. Okay? How can you virally advertise? How can you virally market it? So when you look at all the different options of things you know how to do, do you know how to promote the strip club? Was it your job to get people in there?
I did have a marketing manager before.
Who promoted it?
Yeah.
Do you know how he did it?
I didn't have to get involved in that part. I just said, bring people in, how? I'll manage the business myself.
Did he bring people in? Were you
He's
full?
very good. He's very good.
Okay, ask him how he did it. Ask him how he did it. How did you bring people in? See,
create a partnership.
Because that's another skill. How many strip clubs are there in all of Canada? Lots. Okay. Are any of them struggling?
Yeah, probably.
Probably. Yet, you have a huge mind gate that really sells. Which one was it? Lust.
Fear.
You have the most sellable thing that probably outsells all other. Lust. Sex. Okay. So how about this? This is Scott Friesen with whatever the name of your club is. Okay? Okay. I'm here to double your business. Okay? Here's how I work. I want a percentage of the profits. I'll increase your attendance by this much. Or how about make it easy and charge them a flat fee? Okay? Give me 1 month. For $500 a month, I'll double your attendance. The fucking dickheads who walk through the front door. I'll double it. I'll show you how. Trust me. I'll do it. If I don't perform, I'm gone. You're out $500. If I do perform, you make that in a fucking night. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now, $500 a month. Let's say you just got, of all the strip clubs in Canada, let's say you just got 10. How much money is that a month? $5 grand a month. You're halfway there. We live in an age now where we're using our bodies less. Where the internet is the marketplace. You know, the telephone, the fax. So how can you make money? We thought of one way, or there are many, many ways that you can do it with things you know. I didn't even know about it. You know about real estate. You know about property management. You know about accounting. Okay, you know about successfully managing a club. Okay, so you can manage any other business. Okay, and you can consult with them. You can come along to hurting businesses. Say, I know how to manage a business. Okay, people aren't going to be scared and find out. Your promoter, find out what he does to bring people in the door. Because the guy that sells, the guy that gets people, that's the money coming in. You figure that out. And do you own the strip club?
He does it.
He owns it?
Yeah.
Okay. So he might not want to give you secrets. You should have been paying attention. But you can see how it's done. It's not that hard to figure out because you see where they advertise and who they advertise to.
But he could package that with a partnership and go out and sell the package.
He could do that, yes.
The combined expertise of a marketer and a manager.
And he's got no threat because a strip club 16 hours away is no competition to him. See? So there's no There's nothing to lose there. See? So we're thinking of ways to move quickly. How else could you make $70 per hour? I mean, there are just so many ways to do it. I think I mentioned like 8 in Martial Mastery, which was recorded 4 years ago. A bunch of people made money on the website thing. Now it's changing. Because now there's such a glut. There's Craigslist, and now you can find a web designer. So what else could you sell? What else could you do? Advertising. Advertising. Selling advertising. Real estate. Real estate. You've made money. Have you bought and sold, or do you just own and rent?
Bought and sold.
You bought and sold.
One property.
Yeah.
And I kept all the rest.
Okay. Good. Good. Are they appreciating?
Oh, big time.
You're making money without while you
Doubled
sold.
on my money.
Yeah.
All properties.
See, you're a smart man, Scott. You can figure this out. See, you can figure out how to do this. You can figure out. But you want to escape the winter. You want to be around in the snow for 6 months.
That's what I hate.
Okay.
I shut down winter.
So what if you had a business that you could operate from anywhere? Then couldn't you decide to go to Florida for the winter and sit there in your hotel room and have your martini and sit on the internet and send out your emails or do your accounting from anywhere? The other thing is I don't want to work. Well, the truth is it isn't that you don't want to work. It's that you don't want to be in that damn snow for 6 months. And if you want to vacation and not work for 6 months, that's cool too.
This is not a vacation I'm looking for. I want to go volunteer overseas.
You want to volunteer overseas.
My winter months, yeah.
You want to volunteer? Excellent. What do you want to do?
Say like an orphanage.
Awesome.
This or that, yeah.
Fantastic. That's great. So you want to get the hell out of Dodge when it's buried into the snow
Exactly.
and go do some good in the world.
Yeah.
Okay. This
That's my ultimate goal.
this is achievable. This is achievable to a mind that thinks. Well, you have to go to college and get a degree, and then you can go, you get a student loan, and then you can go and get a job, okay? So you'll come out of college out of debt, but you'll get a job making 40 grand a year, and you'll owe about 50 grand, but over time you'll get it paid off. Box thinking. Get a job. Get a job. Now, a job can be a cool thing, but I always considered a job training whenever I had a job. This is paid training. This is paid preparation. And I think if you've read my email from homeless to millionaire in 1 year, I laid out a plan of just how I would do that.